Hey friends! Are you a fan of grapes? Well, if you're not, I'm about to give you some grape reasons why you should be. With over 8,000 varieties of grapes, ranging in color from green to black, grapes are one of the oldest cultivated crops. These tiny balls of goodness, packs a real punch when it comes to keeping your body healthy and happy. First off, grapes are a good source of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a natural compound, found in grapes, particularly in the skins and seeds of red grapes. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Research suggests that resveratrol may have numerous health benefits like it has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, colon disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Also, it may help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL or bad cholesterol, and improve overall heart health. But the most amazing part is, studies have found that resveratrol may have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells. Second, the flavonoids found in grapes have neuroprotective properties. It has been linked to improved cognitive function, and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Third, grapes contain a type of fiber called pectin, which has been shown to have prebiotic effects, meaning it can help feed the good bacteria in your gut, which helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote regularity. Fourth, grapes are high in vitamin C, and other antioxidants, which can help protect the body against infections and disease. Lastly, grapes are also great for the skin. Grapeseed oil is often used in skincare products, because it's high in antioxidants and can help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So there you have it. From boosting immunity, to promoting heart health, grapes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that you should definitely incorporate into your diet. Remember to eat them in moderation, as they are high in natural sugars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.